Hey, good morning. Thanks so much for having me out here to do the roof cleaning estimate. My name is Eddie with MultiMan Services. Allow me to just take a brief moment to explain our process about the roof cleaning a little bit, and that way you can get a good idea to what to expect before we get started, and then what it will be like after we get done cleaning. Although you may have a roof that claims to be 50 years, a lifetime guarantee. Unfortunately, not a lot of people are aware that the roofing manufacturing company is actually watering down their product. They're adding more crushed limestone into the shingle and removing 1/3 less of the waterproofing asphalt that's in the shingle to help your shingles last longer. So essentially, the reason why you see a lot of the black streaking is because your shingles are starting to dry out. So a roof cleaning is great. I did a few photos around your property. It's kind of hard to see in the video right now, but the roof is infested with lichen and moss, and this is a perfect time to get some maintenance done. You do have a very, very challenging roof to get treated and cleaned, but this is all we do is roof cleaning, roof maintenance. So we have all OSHA approved, roof harnesses, and making sure that we're completely safe while we're on your property. So with our cleaning process that I would suggest for your home is the same day results roof cleaning or the Happy Roof package. I would definitely suggest maintenance to be done on your roof for sure, because on the front of your the one spot that I'm able to see, two spots able to see from the ground, is a plumbing vent. So this plumbing vent here, you can see the shingles starting to get wavy, and the actual rubber collar around the boot is cracked, and it needs to have a new rubber collar installed. There's a spot right here where your shingles are kind of lifted up a little bit, and we want to make sure that we get that sealed down. So with our roof cleaning package, while we're out and about on your roof, getting things treated, we're going to do a full roof tune-up. So any leak-prone areas, we're going to seal those up in the valleys and around the chimney flashing. Any other plumbing gaskets you have, we're going to fix those up and then proceed with the cleaning. So most companies will just show up and put a treatment on your roof, and that's all you get, but you do need some more attention. So after we clean your roof will actually look worse or it gets better. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is. So you don't ever want to power wash your roof. Unfortunately, there's some companies up there that will go up there with a pressure washer and blast away at your roof, and hey, your roof looks pretty, but they actually did more damage than good, because your roofing shingles have a lot of aggregate or granulars that do the protecting of your shingles. So if you go up there with that washer, that can do a lot of damage and defeat the purpose of what you're trying to accomplish. So with our chemical treatment process, it's safe for pets, plants, family, and environmentally responsible. What we do is make sure that after the treatment is done, we take precautions for your plants and all that stuff. But behind me here, if you can see, we're also going to do the full roof tune-up up there. Make sure that any loose shingles are sealed down and buttoned up. With the cleaning process, I mentioned that things are going to get worse before they're. So essentially, any lichen or moss that's growing on your roof, there's some areas right in here that'll actually turn white or yellow, kind of like cottage cheese, and that will be a sign that it's dead. But those actually have root structures inside your shingles and growing in between the aggregate. So it's going to be dead after our cleaning process, and then give it a couple of months to dry up and the hard rains to wash your roof off, and you'll be in good shape from there. Brand new, good looking roof. And the next dry day after roof cleaning, I'd like to suggest that we do the conditioning treatment to help rehydrate your drying out shingles, and that will be really the best you can do for your roof at this time: the tune-up, the cleaning, and the conditioning treatment. 3 different processes, and any questions you have, don't hesitate to give me a call on my personal cell, 815 520-6020. And we can walk you through the process, get your questions answered, and get your home cleaned up and maintained. We're a locally owned, family operated company out of Beloit, Wisconsin. We service Lake Geneva, Madison, Rockford, Fontana, Elkhorn, and any of your friends, family, and neighbors that you know of that also need our service. If you could let them know about us, we could possibly do like a neighborhood bundled discount while we're in the area. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. RoofMax is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because RoofMax treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science and nature.